Let's learn to carry out multiprocessing in Python. In this tutorial, we'll put everything in files and then run them. Import multiprocessing. Now this is the number of cores we have on our machine, 4. Import process from multiprocessing. Define 3 functions, testing, square and cube. P1 is a process on square, P2 is on cube and P3 is on testing. Start P1, P2 and P3 and then join them, then print we're done. So we get the cubes and squares. In this code we have 2 functions, child1 and child2. We have 2 processes P1 and P2 on them. We start them, we join P1. Now is it alive? If not, print no. Same for P2. And then join P2 as well. And print we're done. So we get the ID of parent, child2 and child1. P1 is not alive but P2 is. And then we're done. Here we get the names of the processes child1 and child2 by calling name on the current process function. We get the parent ID, the names child2 and child1, and we're done. And if we do not declare a name for one of the processes, say child1, its name is process1. We can use locks in multiprocessing. Lock is a lock. The printer acquires it, prints the item, then releases it. So for nacho, salsa and 7, which means thrice, it creates process P and starts it. So for the output we have 3 different things. Pool represents a pool of worker processes. This code doubles a number and creates a 3-worker process. The map function maps the double function to an iterable. So we have 4, 6, 12. And if we use the apply async method, we get the results of our processes in a pool, so we get 14.